Dear children, we shall learn the meaning of identity. An identity is a statement of equality which is true for every value of the variables in it. Now I am going to explain you about the identity by taking a statement of equality. So a plus 1, a plus 2, when we multiply a plus 1 by a plus 2, so we are going to get the product a square plus 3a plus 2. This is statement of equality. On the left hand side you find the expression, and the right hand side you find the expression. In between you find the equal sign. Now this is an identity. Now let us check whether this is an identity or not. Let a is equal to 1. Wherever you find a, put 1. So on the left hand side we have a plus 1 and a plus 2. A plus 1 multiplied by a plus 2. So LHS is equal to a plus 1, a plus 2. So in the place of a you write 1, 1 plus 1 multiplied by 1 plus 2. So that is 1 plus 1 2 into 2 plus 1 3. So 3 into 2 6. So left hand side, LHS means left hand side of the equation. So we get 6. Now what do you have on the right hand side of the equation? A square plus 3a plus 2. RHS. A is equal to a square plus 3a plus 2. So in the place of a put 1, 1 whole square plus 3 into 1 plus 2. So 1 square means 1, 3 into 1 is 3, 2 as it is, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. So here you have 6, here also you have 6. So LHS is equal to RHS. Let us try for some other values. Let a is equal to 2. So LHS is equal to a plus 1 into a plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2. 2 plus 1 is 3 into 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 into 4 12. Now RHS. So we have RHS a square plus 3a plus 2, a square plus 3a plus 2. This is the RHS side. So a means 2, 2 whole square plus 3 into 2. A in the place of a I have written 2 plus 2. So 2 square means 4. 3 into 2 6 plus 2. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 2 12. So that means a plus 1 into a plus 2 equal to a square plus 3a plus 2 is an identity. So which is true for every value of the variables. So I have given put a is equal to 1 in the first instance. In the second instance I put a is equal to 2. So if you give any value, LHS will be equal to, here see LHS is equal to RHS because LHS is 12, here RHS is equal to 12. Now observe the another statement of equality. Let us check whether it is an identity or not. Consider equation a square plus 3a plus 2 is equal to 132. This statement of equality is true for only certain value. Which is that value? So when I write a is equal to 10, let a is equal to 10. So what I am going to get? Now a square means 10 square plus 3 into 10 plus 2, that is equal to 132. 10 square means 100. 3 into 10 30 plus 2 132. So left hand side 132, right hand side 132. So this statement of equality is valid for a is equal to 10. Let us put a is equal to 1 and let us see whether LHS will be equal to RHS or not. So 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 2. So LHS is equal to 1 square plus 3 into 1 plus 2. 1 square means 1 into 1, 1. 3 into 1, 3 plus 2. So 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now what do you have on the right hand side of the equation? 132. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore, a square plus 3a plus 2 equal to 132 is not an identity. Is not an identity. Now let us learn some of the standard identities. Standard identities. Standard identities. So you are going to learn some of the standard identities. So standard identities are nothing but again statement of equality which is true for every value of the variables in it. Now how we can generate the standard identities? By multiplying binomial by binomial. So for standard identity, a plus b whole square, that means we are multiplying a plus b by a plus b. So we get square of the first term plus 2 into first term into second term plus square of the second term. So that is a plus b whole square is equal to square of the first term plus 2 into first term into second term plus b square. This is the first standard identity. Now let us learn the second standard identities. A minus b whole square is equal to, that means when we multiply a minus b by a minus b, we will get a square minus 2ab plus b square. How well we can remember? Square of the first term minus 2 into first term into second term plus square of the second term. This is the second standard identity. Third standard identity, that is a plus b into a minus b. When we multiply a plus b by a minus b, we get square of the first term minus square of the second term, that is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Now fourth identity, standard identity, x plus a into x plus b. When we multiply binomial x plus a by binomial x plus b, we will get x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. See, square of the variable x square and a and b are the constants and x is a variable plus ab. And this is the fourth standard identity. So I am going to read out a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the first standard identity. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square is the third standard identity. A fourth standard identity is x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b multiplied by x plus ab.